Welcome to telaHosting. How to set up email forwarding using DNS in DirectAdmin. Email forwarding simply means that any email sent to one address will automatically be delivered to another address. Messages sent from your domain mail will automatically be redirected to another inbox you choose. For example, support@yourdomain.com forward to you@gmail.com. This helps you check all your messages in one inbox, create multiple custom emails without managing many inboxes. Email forwarding itself doesn't require adding special DNS records, but the DNS of your domain must be correctly pointed to your hosting email service. This means that your MS record must point to telaHosting, your SPF record must include your mail server, your domain must use the correct name servers. If any of these DNS settings are wrong, email forwarding may fail or messages may never arrive. So before you set up forwarding, make sure your MS records point to mail@yourdomain.com or your hosting server. A record points to your server IP and so on. Once your DNS is correct, email forwarding inside DirectAdmin works perfectly. To set up email forwarding, the first thing to do is to log into DirectAdmin. Once you're on the DirectAdmin dashboard, scroll to the email manager section and click on forwarders. This page controls all email forwarding rules. Click create new email forwarder, and in the forwarder name, enter the email address you want to forward from. For example, info@yourdomain.com, and under destination, enter the email address you want to forward to. For example, ella@gmail.com. You can add one or multiple destination emails, and after that, click create. DirectAdmin will immediately activate the forwarding rule, and that's it. Your email forwarding is now live. And if after this forwarding isn't working, the issue usually comes from DNS, and here's what to check. Check your MS records. Your MS records should look like MX with your priority and your mail.yourdomain.com. If you're using telaHosting default email, this must be correct. If the MX is pointing to another provider like Google or Microsoft, DirectAdmin email forwarding will not work. In that case, you must set forwarding inside the provider, not DirectAdmin. Make sure your mail.yourdomain.com points to your server. Add a record like this, mail a record, and with the value your server IP. Without this, your domain won't accept mails. You also need to add a proper SPF record, as this ensures forwarded mails does not get marked as spam. Another important step is to disable email routing conflicts. Inside DirectAdmin, go to the email manager section and click on MX records. Check the setting local mail server. If you're using telaHosting's email, keep this on. But if you're using an external mail service provider like Google or Microsoft, turn the local mail server option off. This single option fixes most forwarding issues. The main job of DNS is to ensure your domain knows where to handle emails, while DirectAdmin takes care of forwarding them to your preferred inbox. With just a few clicks, you can have all your messages delivered exactly where you want them, making email management simpler and more organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need stellar hosting services. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials like this. See you in the next video.